Have you ever wondered who leads the human race in exploring the infinite expanse of space? The answer is NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Born in the year of 1958, NASA emerged during a time when the world was gripped by the thrill of the space race. It was a time when humanity's gaze turned skyward, and the dream of reaching beyond our own pale blue dot became a tangible goal. NASA's journey began with Project Mercury, its first human spaceflight program. With this initiative, NASA aimed to put a man in orbit around the Earth, a feat that had never been accomplished before. And accomplish it they did, with astronaut Alan Shepard becoming the first American in space in 1961. This pioneering mission set the stage for what was to come, proving that humans could indeed survive in the harsh environment of space. Following the success of Project Mercury, NASA launched Project Gemini. This program was all about perfecting the techniques needed for a moon landing, including spacewalks and docking two spacecraft together in orbit. It was a crucial stepping stone that laid the groundwork for the monumental Apollo missions. And who could forget Apollo? This was the program that fulfilled President Kennedy's goal of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to the Earth before the end of the 60s. With Neil Armstrong's famous first steps on the moon in 1969, NASA not only won the space race, but also captured the hearts and minds of millions around the globe. From its inception, NASA has been a trailblazer, setting the pace for humanity's journey to the stars. With every mission, every launch, and every discovery, NASA continues to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible, inspiring us all to look up and dream big. Because in the grand scheme of the cosmos, we are just beginning to scratch the surface of space exploration. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. These iconic words echoed around the world as Neil Armstrong set foot on the moon, thanks to the Apollo missions. Imagine the year 1969. The world collectively held its breath as the Apollo 11 spacecraft, a marvel of human engineering, touched down on the lunar surface. It was a moment that transcended borders and differences, uniting people from every corner of the globe in shared wonder and achievement. The Apollo missions, running from 1961 to 1972, represented a pivotal chapter in space exploration. Each mission built on the success of the last, culminating in a total of 12 astronauts walking on the moon. These daring feats of exploration marked humanity's first physical contact with another celestial body, forever changing our relationship with the cosmos. The moon landing was more than just a technological triumph. It was a testament to human curiosity, resilience, and the unyielding desire to explore the unknown. The lunar rocks brought back to Earth have offered invaluable insights into our moon's composition, origins, and history, further deepening our understanding of the universe. But the Apollo missions didn't just stop at the moon. The Apollo spacecraft also served as a launch pad for the Voyager missions, which have since sent two robotic explorers into the depths of outer space. These tireless travelers have given us unprecedented glimpses into the far reaches of our solar system, capturing breathtaking images of planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. The Voyager missions have also sent back data that has fundamentally reshaped our understanding of space. From the discovery of volcanic activity on Jupiter's moon Io to the detection of complex organic molecules on Saturn's moon Titan, these missions have pushed the boundaries of our knowledge. The Apollo missions were not the end, but rather the beginning of NASA's ambitious journey. From the moon to the farthest reaches of our solar system, these historic endeavors have paved the way for a new era of exploration, inspiring generations to look up at the stars and wonder, what's next? In the late 90s, a new chapter in space exploration began with the launch of the International Space Station. This scientific marvel, often likened to a floating city in space, is not just a testament to human ingenuity, but also a product of global cooperation. The International Space Station, or the ISS, is a joint venture between 5 space agencies: NASA, Russia's Roscosmos, the European Space Agency, the Canadian Space Agency, and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. This union of nations has given rise to a unique platform for discovery, fostering an environment of unity and shared purpose that transcends borders and politics. The ISS serves as a microgravity laboratory where scientists conduct experiments that could not be performed on Earth. From studying the effects of long-term space travel on the human body to growing plants in space, the research conducted on the ISS has profound implications for future space exploration and life on Earth. Yet, the ISS is more than just a lab. It's a home. Astronauts from around the globe live and work on the ISS for months at a time, experiencing the awe-inspiring view of our planet from space and the profound silence that only the cosmos can offer. Their daily life includes everything from rigorous exercise to combat muscle and bone loss, to capturing stunning images of Earth that remind us of the beauty of our shared home. The ISS also serves as a stepping stone for future space exploration. It's a testbed for technologies that will be critical for missions to Mars and beyond. From life support systems to communication technologies, the ISS is helping pave the way for humanity's next giant leap into the cosmos. The ISS is a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration, a beacon of hope orbiting our planet. As it silently glides across our skies, it reminds us of what we can achieve when we come together and points the way to our future in the stars. As we set our sights beyond the moon, the red planet Mars has become a new frontier for NASA. This crimson world, with its striking landscapes and tantalizing mysteries, has long captivated our collective curiosity. And in our journey to understand Mars, we have deployed some of the most advanced robotic explorers ever conceived. From the first successful landing by the Pathfinder mission in 1997, carrying the small but mighty Sojourner rover, NASA began to paint a picture of Mars not as a barren wasteland, but as a world with a complex and intriguing geological history. Sojourner's successors, the twin rovers Spirit and Opportunity, furthered our understanding, revealing evidence of past water activity on Mars. Enter Curiosity, a car-sized rover that touched down in 2012. Armed with an array of scientific instruments, Curiosity discovered that Mars once had conditions suitable for life, a groundbreaking revelation that reshaped our understanding of the red planet. Fast forward to today, and Perseverance, the most advanced Mars rover yet, is continuing this legacy. Its mission is not just to search for signs of ancient life, but to collect and preserve samples for future return to Earth. And let's not forget Ingenuity, the small helicopter that made history as the first aircraft to fly on another planet. These rovers, each a marvel of engineering and scientific ingenuity, have revolutionized our knowledge of Mars. They have provided a window into the planet's past, hinting at the possibility of ancient microbial life and shaping our plans for future human exploration. Through the eyes of these rovers, we have begun to unravel the mysteries of Mars, inching closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? The journey of NASA is far from over. In fact, it's just getting started. As we delve into the uncharted territories of the future, NASA's ambitious plans promise to take us further into the cosmos than ever before. One of the most exciting ventures on the horizon is the Artemis program. Named after the twin sister of Apollo in Greek mythology, Artemis aims to return humans to the moon by 2024. But this time, it's not just about planting a flag and leaving footprints. Artemis seeks to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon, paving the way for future manned missions to Mars and beyond. Imagine that! Humans living and working on the moon, using it as a stepping stone for further space exploration. Speaking of Mars, NASA has big plans for our red neighbor as well. With the successful deployment of the Perseverance rover and the Ingenuity helicopter, we've been given a glimpse of the Martian surface like never before. But rovers and helicopters are just the beginning. NASA intends to send humans to Mars, a feat that would truly be a giant leap for mankind. This incredible mission, which could happen as soon as the 2030s, will not just broaden our understanding of the universe, but also test the limits of human capability and endurance. As we stand on the brink of a new era, NASA continues to push the boundaries, proving that our journey to the stars is limited only by our imagination. The future of NASA shines as bright as the stars it seeks to explore, fueled by the spirit of discovery and the thirst for knowledge. It's a future that promises to keep us marveling at the mysteries of the cosmos, constantly reminding us that we are but a small part of a vast and wondrous universe. And as we look to the stars with anticipation and hope, we realize that the journey of NASA and of humanity is only just beginning.